In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure your menu packages always show up exactly how you want them. If you create quotes for catering packages, event menus, or service bundles, having a clean and accurate pricing table is really important. It helps your clients understand exactly what's included, what can be adjusted, and how the final total is calculated. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to customize the pricing table so it matches your preferred layout and gives your clients a smoother experience. To begin, select the table inside your template. This is the pricing table where your menu packages are displayed. Once you click on it, the editing options for that table will become available. This is the main area where you'll control how your package details appear, so make sure you're clicking directly on the pricing table itself. Next, look for the three dots inside the table. When you click those dots, you'll be able to add or remove columns depending on the level of detail you want to show. For example, you can include columns for tax, discount, or quantity. This is especially useful if your menu packages need more transparent pricing or if you want to show how totals are being calculated. On the other hand, if you prefer a simpler layout, you can remove any columns that aren't necessary. The goal here is to make the table as clear and professional as possible without overwhelming the client. After that, move to the Properties tab on the right side. This is where you can control more of the table's display settings. From here, you can choose whether to show or hide the total row. If you want your clients to immediately see the final amount, keeping the total visible is usually helpful. If you're still working on a draft or only want to show itemized pricing, hiding it may make more sense temporarily. You can also use the Properties tab to change the currency symbol to Philippine peso or PHP. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in making your quote look accurate and locally relevant. Always double check that the currency matches the market you're serving before sending anything out. Finally, if you want to give clients more flexibility, you can enable optional items. This allows them to select extra add-ons directly inside the quote, such as extra dessert or extra staff. When they choose those options, the total price updates automatically. This is a great way to offer upsells while keeping the process simple and transparent for the client. Once these settings are in place, your menu packages will appear exactly the way you want, with better clarity for both you and your clients.